Hello.
Can somebody from the bowling team come near the podium? RDX player. Announce a meeting. Can somebody from the RDX team come here near the podium so that they can give the names? Can I have somebody from the RDX team come near the podium? Can I have Arjun? Arjun, if you're not playing, can I have you near the podium, please? We need somebody here from RDX team to go ahead and give the names. We also need Om 11T, one of the team members, to stay here so that they can give the names as and when the players go. Somebody from RDX team, can I have them come here? The Rashid Khan has appeared. One of the sponsors, Sri Janeshwar Joshi, has come near the podium. Sri Jayalakshmi Tours and Travels owner and coordinator, and the social worker for Nepalese residing in Bangalore, Sri Janeshwar Joshi, has come near the podium. That's a wide. Umpire is given wide. Guys, can we have you guys clear this, please, so that we can go ahead and see what's happening there? One of you do the commentary, please. That's RDX bowler. Score. Guys who are not playing, can we please clear this? The bowler's name is Jeevan. Strike Ramesh. Non-strike Prakash. Jeevan the bowler for RDX. The first ball, Ramesh hits it straight. Is it going to be a single? That's going to be a single, I believe. Now Prakash on strike. We have Arjun Thapa, the president of Pashupatinath, standing and mentoring the RDX team. Prakash Bist on strike with Jeevan bowling for RDX. The second ball. That's a straight drive. I'm not sure if that's going to be a single. That's a single. Prakash Best and Ramesh, very famous names within Nepali circle, two who have been played wonderful cricket tournaments locally and internationally. High expectations from them. They're playing for Om 11, the organizing team. Jeevan, considering is a new team, doing a good job for RDX. That's a wonderful run by Ramesh, straight drive, and that's absolutely a four. No chance for any fielders to go ahead and stop the ball in any ways possible whatsoever. रमेश ये आया वो गया ये आया वो गया बॉल गया 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 sixer. That's an absolute six by Ramesh. It's coming into play. Jeevan, the new bowler. RDX team, one of the oldest teams that we see, but not in touch and regular practice. Again, a single drive. Oh, the fielder misses it, and that's a four. That's an absolute four. Bowling team's loss is batting team's win. RDX team, one of the mentors, Arjun Thapa, supporting them from outside the field. Can I request the other players not to throw the ball inside the ground when the match is on? Ishwar, the budding player from Legends. Again an offside stroke, and that's an absolute mesmerizing batting by Ramesh. Ramesh Thapa, one of the key players. It's 20 at the end of first over for RDX. I'm sorry, Om 11. Om 11, 20 runs at the end of first over. A job well done by Ramesh Thapa and Prakash Best. Diggaja, Dev Rawal from Legends, walking in front of the podium. A seasoned batsman, wonderful bowler, an all-rounder all in all. The second bowler for RDX on the strike, Ramesh Thapa on non-strike. Very recently, Ramesh Thapa played for Hesragatta team and they were the runners-up in the Hesragatta Cup. That's a 2 ball for RDX team. Guys, we have one of our main sponsors, Shri Anand. He happens to be a real estate and Maruti Cables from Muneshwara Layout. One of our key sponsors, Shri Anand Sarji, is here amongst us, and we would like to go ahead and have him facilitated for all the support that he is extended for the home team. That's a sixer for Om 11. Shri Anand has come, one of our key sponsors for Om 11 Cup, and he is amongst us. One of the persons who went ahead and sponsored this tournament, and key supporters, Shri Anand from Anand Kumar Real Estate and Maruti Cables from Muneshwara Layout. He is one of our key sponsors for this tournament. Shri Harinath sir and Shri Anand sir, we absolutely thank you for the kind of support that you've extended for this tournament. Ramesh Thapa on strike. That's gone high. Is it going to be a 6? Is it going to be a catch? Is it going to be a 6? Is it going to be a catch? Oh, ball left by the fielder from RDX team, experienced team, That should have been a catch. Unfortunately, the RDX team have, given a gift, a bumper gift to them. Mr. Ishwar from Legends team, one of the promising batsmen. Can I please request you to, restrain yourself and not play inside the field? Can I ask you to please come out of the field? That's a white ball. That's a white ball for RDX. Thank you, Captain Naren, who's been managing the team Legends. Guys, that's an absolute mesmerizing shot by Ramesh Thapa. He just did a switch hit and that's gone for a 4. Wonderful game by Ramesh. I'm sorry, that's given as a 6 by umpire. Umpire, please be sure to give it in the first side. We have one of the experienced and oldies umpire. So he needs to be sure of giving the right decision. We have seen world wars happen in cricket tournaments if the decisions are not giving correct. RDX टीम को सुरेशले बोलिङ गरेर त्यो एउटा एकदमै 4 गएर जज एउटा 4 रमेश थापाको लागि आफ्नो खातामा 4 रन हालिसक्यो. Looks like this pitch has been a batting pitch. Blessings to the batsman and a curse to the bowlers. The score is 41 as of now. Last ball of the over. Legends warrior captain Rajiv walking by the podium. That's a switch hit again and it's gone behind, an absolutely 4 by Ramesh Thapa. The name, remember the name guys, Ramesh Thapa, one of the promising batsmen and youngsters, in Nepalese circle. Is that a 4 umpire? It's not a 4. Knappa, Sri Prajwal Gowda, Sri Harinath and Sri Anand. And supported by our own brothers and our elders from the community, Janeshwar Joshi, who happens to be the owner and the coordinator of Sri Jaya Lakshmi Tours and Travels, Umesh Pandari, Mandal Exports, Mr. Basant Mandel, and Balaji Best. Score is 43. Balaji Best from Crystal, made in India. Shri Harinath happens to be from AK Associates, Harinath, and contractor social worker from Rainbow Layout. Shri Anand Kamal Real Estate, and Maruti Cables from Muneshwara Layout. Thank you all of you all for supporting this tournament by supporting us in every way possible. The bowler name. Sunil is the bowler. Sunil is the bowler. Prakash on the batting on strike. Rajiv from Legends Warrior walking past by the podium. The man who seems to be making sure, getting a win for the team. That's a leg by 4. Leg by 4. RDX team, the inexperienced team, being one of the most tenuous team, is still inexperienced in terms of playing tournaments. That's the first one, and Prakash Bits makes sure that that's get a switch in music by hitting it on the cover drive, and that's a 4. Our own senior citizen who's standing as a straight umpire for this, Mr. Lucky Urf Lakshman Rawal, given a 4 decision. Naren from Legends.
Hello. 3.5 scores 59. 59. और हमारे रमेश ऑन स्ट्राइक, अच्छा धोते हुए, सेम लाइक एबीडी. Lovely shot, flash shot. Good catch. Nice catch. Hello. Where's Vijay Thapa ji? क्रीज पे आए हैं गज्जू एंड संदीप. संदीप इज नोन एज स्लो पॉइजन. So end of 4 overs scores 59 for 2. Good comeback by RDX. Nice comeback. हाँ अभी चिट्स करेंगे. संगम कहां पे है मेरे भाई? तेरा बुलावा है. यहाँ वहां प्लीज ऐसे कृपया करके. निकेश बुला रहा है. विजय भाई वी नीड यू. कहां जा रहे हो प्लीज? So start off 5th over. Bowler name? Okay, जीवन. अब आए ना. और हमारे संवाददाता विजय थापा जी is back.
We just witnessed a nail-biting match between Legend Warriors and the opposite team. Kishore Thapa was... Prakash Best is out! For Om 11, Prakash Best is out. Sandeep. Sandeep is the bowler. Sorry, Sandeep is out. Jeevan is the bowler. My bad. This is what happens if you don't know the names and the teams. We just witnessed a nail-biting match between Legend Warriors and Kishore Thapa. Remember the name Kishore Thapa. He is the man who went ahead and made sure that Legend Warriors won the first match. Kishore Thapa, with his consecutive 2 sixes, made sure Legend Warriors take it to the next level. Kishore Thapa, what do you have to say about your Legend Warriors? Next batsman name, please. Can we have Om 11 guys standing here and giving the names? Bharat is the next batsman. One of the absolute superb player for Om 11, Bharat. He's made sure that, few bowlers have been, dusted to the ground. So, Bharat, the first ball hits a 6 and that's an absolute mesmerizing shot. Rajiv, can we have you near the dais, please? Rajiv, can you please come here? The Legend Warriors captain Rajiv. Legend Killer Warriors Rajiv. Bharat, नाम तो सुना ही होगा आपने. One of the prominent players. In and around. That's an absolute shot on the right side. Let's see what's RDX going to do. That's an absolute 4. In a span of 2 balls, he's hit 10 runs, a 6er and a 4. Bharat from Om 11. Thank you guys for providing Tiffin. KA04C9318. Good job. Thank you. Bharat, once again, the fielder has done a misfield and that's gone for a second run. And if that was a straight directed, that would have been an out. Unfortunate. RDX team, one of the oldest teams, but inexperienced team. The Jeevan, one of the youngsters from RDX team, bowling to Bharat. Bharat is just gone ahead and played a sensible game by just taking a single. Sensible batsman for Om 11 Bharat. Kishore Thapa, remember the name guys, Kishore Thapa for Warriors. He made sure the win for them was very smooth, like Makhan. That was a forward Gaju and he's trying to, that's going to be out or not, that's going to be out or not, no, no, no. Warriors team, which was formed very newly. The master behind the team is Lokendra Rawal, aka Hrithik Roshan, aka Kashinath, making sure that the team gets a win. The bowler name for RDX, please. Sunil from RDX, doing the honors of bowling. Gajendra Bhandari, sweetly and shortly called as Gaju, on strike. Score is 73. RDX team, for your notice, the score is 73. That's a wonderful ball by the bowler. Gaju not knowing where exactly the ball went. The keeper not supporting the bowler in the right way. They have taken a single run. The mentor Arjun Thapa is standing outside the ground and trying to motivate the team from outside the ground, giving instructions. Rajiv making peace with the opposite team side. Bharat, wonderful batting. The keeper again a misfield and just waiting for the ball. That's a single for Om 11. The score is 75. Roko Sangam, Roko Sangam, Roko Singam, Roko Singam. That's a wonderful gap. I'm not sure if that's going to be. That's absolutely 4. Again, Gaju proves what he's.
जनशक्ति फाउंडेशन के कैप्टन, वॉरियर्स के कैप्टन और कौन सा है? नहीं जनशक्ति सुरनाया का कैप्टन. इनको आने बोला चिट करेंगे.
The captains of Janshakti, Surnaya, and Warriors. Can we have you come near the dais? Janashakti Foundation, Surnaya Tigers, and Warriors team captains. Can we please have you come near the dais? We are going to go ahead and put in chits and the buys for the next round. Is that a no ball? Waiting for the umpire's decision. Umpire is given a no ball, full toss, no ball above the waist. No ball, and that's a 4. We have Lokendra Rawal come here amongst us, one of the promoters of Warriors team, well-wishers. One of the experienced player who's gone ahead and played 579 matches, out of which he's had got the record of being duck in 99.99% of the matches. Again, guys, that's just a joke, but he's one of a wonderful person as a human being, a very well social humanitarian player. Don't believe what all I say, except for he being Ritik Roshan and Kashinath. We have Surna Tigers captain, we have Warriors captain, and can we have Janashakti team captain come in here? Janashakti, can we please have you? लोकेंद्र रावल, नाम तो सुना ही होगा आपने. Janashakti Warriors captain, can I please have you come near the dais? We're just waiting for you to put the chits. That's a Bice 1 run. Bice 1 run. Bhandari, don't go by his looks. He looks 55 years old, but he is 28 years old. Running quickly like a cheetah in between the wickets. Guys, at the podium we are having a second session wherein we are just making sure that they're going to go ahead and take the chits. The organizer Vikram and Sangam explaining the terms and conditions for every captains. The score is 86. 6 overs complete. 86. 6 overs complete. The next bowler's name, please. The next bowler, Surender. The bowler's name is Surender. The score is 86. The score is 86 at the end of 6th over. Bharat. Surnaya Tiger seems to be on cloud 9 celebrating. They've gone to semi-finals with a bye. Surnaya Tigers. Janashakti Foundation versus Warriors is the next match in Pool B. That's a wide. Guys, we have a facilitation ceremony at the podium for Sri Anand sir. We're having a facilitation ceremony here on the dais for Sri Anand sir, who happens to be the promoter and the owner of Anand Kumar Real Estate and Maruti Cables from Muneshwara Layout. क्या हुआ? 4 That's a wide for RDX. Bharat came forward and made sure that he tried to hit that ball. Unfortunately, that's a wide. Our experienced umpire Lucky, Lakshman Rawal there. That's Bharat for you. He's come forward and hit that run, and that's a single taken there beautifully by Gaju and Bharat. Wonderful partnership. That's the end of. That's the end of run that they've taken. कहाँ गया, वहाँ गया, यहाँ गया, कहाँ गया? The ball is gone. We don't know where exactly the ball is. Now the ball is back. Ramesh Thapa giving back the ball. That's a wonderful 6 by Gaju. This bowler seems to be a bonus over bowler for the batting team. Guys, we have a facilitation ceremony for Sri Anand Kumar Real Estate and Maruti Cables from Muneshwar Layout, who has gone ahead and helped us and supported this tournament all the way long. Anand sir, tumba ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. Sri Anand Kumar sir, who is the owner of Anand Kumar Real Estate and Maruti Cables, Muneshwar Layout, being facilitated by our own respected honorable gentlemen. That's a wonderful gesture that they have done. They've in a traditional way going ahead and supporting our tournament. Sri Anand Kumar from Muneshwar Layout, thank you for supporting us in every way possible. So thank you so much for supporting and organizing this tournament. Sri Anand Kumar Real Estate and Maruti Cables from Muneshwar Layout. And we also have Sri Harinath, who happens to be a social worker from Rainbow Layout, with AK Associates, Harinath and contractors. Thank you so much for the support, sir. Sangam Best and Roko Best doing the honors of making sure that the guest chief of honor are given the kind of facilitation that they deserve. Thank you so much for all of you all supporting this tournament. Thank you again, sir. Again, the name doesn't go out of my tongue on this. Lokendra Rawal, the Warriors mentor, who played a wonderful mesmerizing shot today. Can we have the scoreboard on, please, for Lokendra Rawal? And I believe that was Bharat who made the ball fly. This seems to be a bonus over bowler for the batting team. 108 runs for Om 11 against RDX. Still last ball to go. The last ball, and after that there goes one more over. Bharat on strike. These guys are quick between the wickets to make sure they take a single run. That's a leg by. That's a leg by. 109 is the score. 109 run आने सके Om 11 the organizing team ले RDX को against अजय एउटा ओभर बाकी छ. Mr. Lokendra Rawal, can we please have you near? A few words from you will be absolutely mesmerizing and good for the entire team. Considering that you batted very well today, what do you have to say to the youngsters who are looking up to you as a role model?
As player at the moment not in a great form. Hopefully going forward I will rock with the bat. But let's see what is going to happen in the second round.
Considering that you gave a wonderful performance, are you even playing the second match?
It's up to the captain. If he selects me in the playing 11, surely I'll give my best and would rock as opener.
We have got an inside information that you're the CEO, captain, pseudo man, everything for the Warriors team. And we have informers who have told that you were the one who was very instrumental in making this team in the first place. What do you have to say about that?
The credit goes to the players. The credit goes to the sponsors. The thing is, the players have selected me the CEO, and as CEO, I'm doing my best by investing with the.
Bowler name is Ajay. Doing the last over, Ajay. Om 11, can we have you move away, please? Guys, Om 11, can we have you move away? Guys, can we have you move away from the dais and podium? We cannot see. Raj Singh with all the smiles.
You are more important than anything.
Guys, you need to notice that Lokendra Rawal or Loki has been very instrumental in making lot many teams. He believes in Chakraview. There is a misfield from the RDX team, and that's a 4, absolute 4. The fielders are not supporting the bowlers the way it has to be done. Anand sir, very much thank you for supporting this tournament. We really appreciate. Tumba ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು sir. ನೀವೊಂದು ಈ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಹರಿನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಈ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. बालाजी बिस सर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, धेरै धन्यवाद छ तपाईहरुलाई. एउटा नेपाली युवा केटाहरुलाई तिमीले यति प्रोत्साहन गर्नु एउटा धेरै राम्रो कुरा हो. Bharat hit the straight, and that's going to be a single, and the good fielding by the fielder. Now, Warriors from Dadbalapur team have won the toss, and they're discussing as to what they want to go ahead and do against Janashakti.